2003, 2004, 2005 F1 cars were even quicker than these 2016-19 F1 cars in terms of acceleration. Those 2004-05 F1 cars will hit around 380 km per hour. Without any slipstream. 2005 Honda V10 F1 car did 413 km per hour. And 397 km per hour without the rear wing. Its wing was removed to test its maximum top speed. Those F1 cars had around 950 to 970 horsepower. And their weight was around 525 to 600 kgs. Unmatched power-to-weight ratio. Just think how quick those F1 cars were. The 2003 F1 cars had launch control and traction control. Ferrari F2003 F1 car hit 361 km per hour during qualifying. The 2004 F1 or 2005 F1 cars didn't had any launch control. But they had traction control. 2004 F1 cars hit around 365 km per hour and 369 km per hour. While 2005 McLaren Mercedes MP4-20 F1 car hit 372 km per hour. On Monza practice lap most probably.